Okay guys, in this video we are going to learn how we can request our affiliate link on JVZoo. If you plan to promote any product, then first you need to get approval for this product from vendor. So how you can request your affiliate link? So if I open my JVZoo account, this is my JVZoo account, and if I want to request any product, then always I go to munchai.com, and I always prefer to select upcoming product. So this is the munchai.com. This is a product launching calendar. If you don't know about this company, you can check out my another video on my channel. So in here, if you want to promote any product, you need to click on this list, and then you need to go to their JV page. So this is the product JV page. In JV page, you will see here have an option. Almost every JV page you will get this option, request your affiliate link here. Just you need to click on this link, but before that you need to log into your JVZoo account. Then just click on request your affiliate link from here. Then it will be redirect you to this request page. Some vendors gives us some direction and some terms and condition in here, so you need to check mark this I have agreed to these terms, and in here you need to write little bit how you want to promote that product. So you need to write only the basic things. You do not need to explain details. Just write in 25 characters like this. Just very simple thing you need to write, and then you need to click on this request affiliate approval button. So my request already submitted to this vendor, and when the vendor will be check out my request, and if he think I'm eligible for promoting this product, then he will be approve me. And in here you will get your affiliate link. So now my status is pending approval. That means so still that vendor didn't approve me for promoting his product. So you need to wait 24 hours. I hope within 24 hours you will get your affiliate link. And also some vendor takes some times, so don't worry about that. If you want to quick approval, then you can go to Munchai and contact with that vendor directly. So if you go to that listing, you will see the vendor contact information. So this is the JV page, and in the JV page you will see the vendor's contact information in the bottom. I hope in the bottom, actually that vendor have no contact information. So if I back and check out another product, I hope you will get vendor's contact details. So I'm just opening this product's JV page and go to the JV page bottom area. So you will see the vendor's information in here. You can contact with this vendor via Skype or Facebook. So if you click on this Facebook icon, then you will see this vendor information. You can send message to this vendor, and you can ask him to approve your request. So hope within 24 hours you will get your affiliate link. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my video, please don't forget to hit the like button, and please subscribe my channel for more update.